Let's look at the different options we have in the side nav on Qortal Hub, Qortal Extension, and Qortal Go. So we're on Qortal Hub, and let's look at the different options we have in the side nav. The first option is the logout option. So if we click this, we'll be logged out of our current account, and we could log back in afterwards. This little cog icon is the settings, where I could disable push notifications and enable dev mode if I'm a developer looking to build a queue app. Then here we have the option to switch to our Litecoin wallet. So if I click on it, my Litecoin wallet will appear with my Litecoin if I have any. So I will switch back to the QORT wallet. And then over here is the core information, which shows you if you are synchronized when you're running local core, or if you're running a gateway node, as I am in this case, it will tell you using gateway true, as you could see at the bottom there, as well as how many peers you have and if the gateway node is synchronized. So this is quite important information. If you're looking to see if your core is synchronized, you could verify here. And here at the bottom, we have this little download icon, which is the ability to download another backup JSON file of your account. So if you're looking to download it once more and save it in a new location, you could do so by clicking this download icon here. So those are the options of the side nav in Qortal Hub.